There's an old saying that knowledge is power. When it comes to mastering the world of e-commerce business, we've got you covered. We've developed an intense 3-day e-commerce mastery course in which we arm you with real-world knowledge that you can immediately apply in your business. This is a serious e-commerce business course. It's for anyone seeking to build their digital commerce skills and knowledge in order to get ahead of the pack. So, what do we cover in this course? Well, quite a lot actually. We will look at 5 key areas of focus, including strategy, operations, the customer, technology, and sales and marketing. Within each of these topic areas, we will explore important concepts and ideas, providing you with real-world advice that you can put to use straight after the course. The 3 days are intensive. You will learn a lot and you will walk away with new ideas and suggestions that you can further explore. So who should attend? Well, basically anyone that wants to get serious about e-commerce business. You can be an existing e-commerce business owner or a manager. You might be thinking of starting a new e-commerce venture, or you might not even be currently in the digital space, but you want to learn about how to leverage technology and expand your business opportunities. Whatever the case, I guarantee that you will leave the course satisfied and buzzing with ideas. In fact, I'm so confident that this course will deliver on what I promise that I'm willing to offer a full 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with what we deliver in the course, we will refund you 100% of your course fee. That's our guarantee to you, my guarantee to you. If you're ready to book, click on the Book Now button on the e-commerce mastery page of our website. Also, feel free to contact me with any questions that you may have. I look forward to seeing you in our course.